here just few minutes back, and not just that, but again there is a complete blackout. And what we are picking up to the latest is again there was firing from the side of Pakistan at the international border in Samba. However, and in fact it was targeted on the BSF there in Samba at the international border. So that is another attempt by Pakistan. Remember, and also what we are getting to know is that the BSF is retaliating, and BSF is appropriately giving it back to Pakistan, and not just once, but in fact number of times we have seen that the times that Pakistan tried to hit over here, either by ceasefire violation or by mortars or by shelling, every time India has given it back to Pakistan, and Pakistan has failed multiple times. And today again in the cowardly attack here in Jammu, from where we are reporting right now, we also reported from near the airport area, where in fact there were 8 to 10 drones that were shot down. Missiles were also intercepted, but still Pakistan now in another attempt has started firing there at the international border in the Samba district. Remember that earlier there were several ceasefire violations also reported in Poonch, in Rajouri, in Uri. There were the shelling continued in Uri and Poonch for quite a long. Tomorrow we'll come to know that what what is the official figure of the injury, and how Pakistan is again cowardly targeting the civilians. But yes, picking up what we are picking up to the latest is that this particular again retaliation, unprovoked retaliation from the unprovoked firing from the Pakistan. Again BSF is responding properly to this. BSF is responding appropriately and giving it back to Pakistan there at Samba at the international border. This is the latest that we are picking up. And in fact, let me tell you that in Jammu we are reporting in Jammu, and we also heard the sirens. Now it is the sirens are definitely an indication that there could be some kind of attack over here, or the situation is sensitive and critical over here, because after there was an attack in between 8 to 8:30, and then India attacked Lahore and then gave it back to Pakistan. Lahore, Sialkot, Islamabad and several areas in the Pakistan. But now again it seems like there's a kind of situation that we are witnessing over here. The atmosphere is definitely tensed over here. The